Well, it's tax time again. I thought we might touch a little bit on taxes. There's a concern going around that the new tax cut changes are not producing what they wanted because tax return amounts, refunds, are lower this year than in the past. This is no way to calculate a tax reform by the amount of your return. The amount of your return simply refers to how much you overpaid during the year on how much you got back, not how many taxes you paid. There's a number that most of the people, when they do their taxes, don't look at. And that's how much of your tax bill did they keep. That's how much taxes you owed. We only seem to pay attention to how much money we get back. And there again, like I said, that's simply how much you overpaid, not how much taxes reduced. So when you do your taxes this year, compare them to last year's. How much of your money did the IRS keep compared to last year, compared to the amount of money you made? There's your secret. Now, when you come to the refunds for the people in the bottom 50%, yeah, now we have refund programs for them that actually exceed what they paid in. They get everything back that they paid in. Then we send them more money. Okay. So, your refund there, you're still getting free money. And whether that goes up or down doesn't affect your tax rate. That's only the amount that you get free from the government. But basically, from looking at the basic changes, I can't see how the new tax bill would affect that in a bad way, seeing how they doubled the standard deduction for a couple from 12 to 24,000. So you're definitely not going to owe any taxes. And they doubled the child credit, which is where you get most of your refund from. So I can't see any reason that the new tax law would bring that bill or that refund down, or government benefit, as it should be called. It's not a tax refund, it's a government benefit. They're giving you money that you didn't make. They're giving you money that other people made and redistributing it. If we look at, this is 2015, just to give you an idea of how taxes break down. The top 1% accounted for more income tax than the bottom 90% combined. The top 1% paid 39%, or $568 billion, and the bottom 90% paid $428 billion, or 29%. That leaves 42% to be paid by the top 9%. So if we add that together there, the top 9% and the 1%, the top 10%, paid 81% of the taxes. The bottom 50% paid nearly nothing. I think it's in the line of 1 to 2%. And that's going to be single people making little money. Basically, you'd have to make under $12,000 or make over $12,000 being single, then you're going to start paying some taxes, maybe. So we have the top 10% paying 80% of the tax bill. That leaves 20% basically for the 50% to 90% category. Pay the other 20%. I don't know. It doesn't sound to me like the rich are stealing a bunch of tax money. What do you think?